Hi guys, guess what? I found my item that I've been looking for months now. It's finally here. So I will unbox it with you in this video. And yeah, I just picked it up today. And the next clip you'll see will be of me sitting at home unboxing this. So can't wait to show you. Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing well. Today we have a bit of a situation behind me. So we have to deal with that together, and I can't wait to show you my new purchases from Louis Vuitton. If you're new, welcome to my channel. Maybe you clicked because you saw the colourful packaging behind me and you're curious to see what it is. Also, you can come follow me on my Instagram where I upload outfit of the day pictures, so you can get some outfit inspo. I show you my new purchases and daily outfits on my stories, so come say hello. So all this happened a little bit before Christmas, or was it after Christmas? I can't really remember. To be honest, I've been so busy I didn't have time to unbox all these, so I decided to finally sit down and do it and show you what I ended up getting. All these items were on my wish list, so I'm very happy that I ticked them off. So let's talk about this packaging. This packaging is absolutely stunning. As many of you are probably aware, this was a limited edition Christmas packaging, and I think this is my favorite packaging. I think Dior did a very beautiful packaging, Christmas packaging, but my personal favorite is the Louis Vuitton one because it's so colorful, and I love the monogram bags. So I can't wait to show you what I got. Let's get started. I have two items, and this was a little gift that they gave me. So it comes in this box. It has the same card, and you can probably tell what it is. I have the best essays, and they always give me the beautiful Louis Vuitton fragrances. I already have so many of these, so they gave me a few more perfumes. I love these. I actually have to finally purchase one of their fragrances, but I have so many samples I can't use them up, but I really love the Roses d'Ivens. That's my favorite. And there was one more that I can't remember the name of, but I'll leave it here if you're interested. That one smells similar but a bit more citrusy. So that's that. Alright, so let's get started with the big purchases. Right, I think I'm going to start with this one here. Okay, so this one is a ready-to-wear. We have the Louis Vuitton hanger. And then they wanted to give me a box, but I was like, nope, I don't want any more boxes. I have nowhere to store these humongous boxes, so they just packed it in one of these big envelopes. So let's see, this item was on my wish list and I finally picked it up. I won't be able to wear it because it is still really cold in London. Maybe I can layer it. I picked up the black Louis Vuitton t-shirt, the Louis Vuitton Icons t-shirt with the little chain detail. So I picked up this shirt without trying it on. I actually never tried this t-shirt on. I have seen this t-shirt on one of my friends. She tried it on and her normal size looked quite small on her, so she went a size up. So that's what I decided to do without trying it on, and I ended up picking up the large. Now I've tried it on, I have tried it on. It is slightly loose. I wish I got the medium, but to be honest, I don't mind oversized t-shirts. This is a very casual t-shirt, so I think it looks cool, more oversized. I think this t-shirt will look fabulous with leather leggings. Can you guys imagine this look with leather leggings? It will look so beautiful. So I can't wait to wear it. This also comes in white, which I love, but I didn't go for the white one because of my fake tan and my makeup. I always end up staining the collar, so I didn't want to worry about that and ended up picking up the black one. So it says gentle wash. It is 100% cotton, that's what I thought. So yeah, this is a t-shirt. This was on my wish list and I'm so glad that I got it. I can't wait to wear it. Alright, are you guys ready? This is the big purchase. Oh my god, I'm so excited for this. I can't wait to show you. So, it is heavy. So let me go back because it is quite big. So this is the humongous bag, and you can see a little hanger, so it's another ready-to-wear piece. And comes in a huge dust bag, which is super long. Can you guys see? It's like one of the dust bags for the gowns, for the big long dresses. So, can you guys guess what it is? I have been wanting this item and I can't believe my essay found it. Oh, let's see. Alright, can you guys see? Oh my god! Okay, here it is. My beautiful Louis Vuitton coat. Oh my god, I am speechless. Look at this beauty. Oh my god guys, how stunning is this coat? I have been wanting this coat for the longest time, but it was impossible to get. It was so difficult to get hold of. It was sold out everywhere worldwide. I showed you this coat in a vlog and so many of you loved it and you kept asking me, Maria, what happened with the coat? Are you buying it? And I was so sad because I really wanted the coat, but it was impossible to get. I even contacted my personal shopper from Australia. I contacted other personal shoppers. None of them were able to source this for me because it was impossible to get. But then my wonderful SA in Harrods found it for me and he called me and he was like, Maria, I have it. I couldn't believe it. I was like, are you sure? Is it the same coat? I thought it's like sold out everywhere. And he was like, yes, I have one and I'm keeping it. You have to come ASAP and pick it up. So I did, of course, and I'm so happy guys. I have already worn it, I'm not gonna lie, that's why the tags are missing. Actually, let me get the tags. So here are the tags. I cut them off. I'll show you the reference up close. This is the UK tag. I don't know why there are two tags. So this is my new Louis Vuitton coat. I can't believe I managed to get it. It is so beautiful. I absolutely love the color. I love this caramelly tan color. I love all the details. I'll show you everything up close so you can see all the detailing. You can see that the lining is monogram and it is absolutely stunning. So when you roll up the sleeves, you can see the beautiful lining inside. You can wear it open and I can just imagine how beautiful it will look when you walk, and you can see a little peaks of the lining. There is also this beautiful leather detailing on the neckline and the little tag on the back. To be honest, I'm not sure what the purpose of this little leather detail at the back is, but it looks cool, especially when your hair is up. And the coat also comes with a belt, but you can always change it and add a thicker belt. This one has the silver hardware. I wish it was the one with the gold hardware. I feel that gold will look better on this beautiful brown coat, so you can always change the belt and wear it with a different belt. My coat, for reference, is in size 38 and I can say that it fits true to size. It is more like a cape, so you can see how it drapes at the back, and I found 3 ways to wear it, so I'll show you how I like to wear the coat. Actually 4 ways if you wear it open. So you can wear it open, you can belt it, you can belt it at the back, and I also thought of this other way to belt it. I'll show you so you can see the lining on the front. This coat will be a forever piece. I can't wait to wear it more and it is absolutely stunning. I'm actually gonna wear it today because I'm going out. I have a meeting in London. So I wanted to film this video before my meeting so I can unbox it and show you the coat quickly. And yeah, this is my new beautiful Louis Vuitton coat. Oh my god, I can't believe it. It's so beautiful. Alright guys, that's all. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you guys think of the coat and the t-shirt, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section down below and I'll get back to you if I missed anything. I hope I didn't miss anything. I will make sure I leave all the details in the description box down below. I will also link all the products that I'm wearing, all my makeup, my top, my earrings and all that in the description box down below, so do check it out. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye guys!